I'm Saurabh Jagdish Soname and today's Viva topic is recursion in Java. Recursion is the technique of making a function call itself. This technique provides a way to break complicated problems down into simple problems which are easier to solve. The process in which a function calls itself directly or indirectly is called directly or recursion, and the corresponding function is called as recursive function. Using recursive algorithm, certain problems can be solved quite easily. Example of such problems are towers of Hanoi, TOH, in order, pre-order, post-order, tree, travels, DFS or graph, and etc. Recursion may be a bit difficult to understand. The best way to figure out how it works is to experiment with it. We can call a recursion function in two ways. First one is a direct recursion call. If we call the same method from the inside method body. Then second one is the indirect mutual recursion call. If we call a method from another method and another method called from the first method, vice versa. How can we stop infinite condition of recursion in Java? To stop the infinite condition, we must have the following. First one, base condition. Specify inside if the condition where to stop the recursion function. Then second one, recursion call. Proper recursion call. A recursive function is still recursive when recursive call is the last thing executed by the function. How memory is allocated to different function calls. In recursion, when any function is called from main, the main is allocated to it on the stack. A recursive function calls itself the memory for the called. Function is allocated on top of memory allocated to calling function, and different copy of local variable is created for each function call. When the base case is reached, the function returns its value to the function by whom it is called, and memory is deallocated and the process continues. Advantages and disadvantages of recursion. When a recursive call is made new allocated on the stack, as each recursive call returns the old variables and parameters are removed from the stack. Thank you so much.